Hello everyone. Um, we will analyze today Bharat Electronics Limited BEL stock. Already made ready. As you seen over here, this is like central pivot point. This whatever black line you are seeing, it is the major support right now for the BEL. We can tell 94 rupees, 93.8, around 93.8 is the major support over here. So if you see here, it has formed already triangle pattern. See, this is the central pivot point range. Right now it is in buy trend. Why? Because here is the logic. Whatever blue line you are seeing, it is a bearish trend and it is the support. See, these three green candles, I mean bullish candles, given confirmation that BL has broken this trend line. After this bearish trend, it has broken and it has given me the buy signal. Like you can buy here like around 96.2 with a stop loss of 95 rupees for the first stop loss, or with minimal risk. If you are ready to take risk, then your stop loss should be around 94 rupees, and your first target will be, as I shown here, 96.5, and second target will be 98, and as I shown for a third target, as I shown, the third target will be 98 rupees. 98. Even you can change this to 100 also, not 90, it's 100 actually. Third target is 100 rupees. And this is the major resistance over here, like see 1 2 and 3 4 at 100 rupees. Major resistance is there. If it is break 100 rupees, and it may go up to around 1 or 2 rupees, it may go. And anyhow, there is no negative news regarding public sector companies. They are doing well also. Since because of Nifty and Bank Nifty downtrend, you may accept downtrend also, but here major support is there at 94 rupees. If it falls, if it crosses this trend, consider same this triangular pattern. If this cross the trend, then go with a stop loss of 95 rupees, 1 rupee stop loss, and your first target will be 93.5 and second target will be 91.4, and this is whatever you are saying is the major support line at 90 rupees. So this analysis will continue for the this week. I mean first week of August I am expecting. So it may happen in the first week, and if it worst case, it can go up to here also. If any negative news comes, then Bank Nifty, if it is in full trend, it may go up to this level also, but it is very difficult. It will not go up to this level. It will sustain in this levels only. Okay. If my content you like, please like and comment me. Any suggestions are there. Thank you and all.